Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. Ouch. This is going to fall out, definitely. Look what I made! Bad. Bad square. Bad. As you can see, it's hard to share with a little sister, but you need to make her happy and make her included because she's a part of our family. Baby sisters are sometimes part of some families. I have to share with her and ask for toys when she has it by herself, because that's a nice thing to really do. Got it.
What is it?
Got it.
Is it a castle?
My fingers are dirty. My hand is dirty. Watch it. Side. Ooh. Ow. Ow, it's not falling off.
You're playing with it, so just keep it on your hands.
My turn. I'm going to get a mama. Pitchy. Square. Big squares. Down. Well. Fish whale. Oh, that's whale. Whale. My turn. My turn. Abby. My turn. Guess what? Wait. Yes! It's up to this channel set up because you need to set it up. Is my channel for Abigail too?
Yep.
Okay, so this is going to be on FoolyFun. Fully Daddy already moved to America with us, and he got his channel. He got his drone footage on your channel. Look what I made! Let's make another one. Make clown. Look what I made!
Abigail, do you like the sand?
I like it. Whoa!
Abigail,
Deal.
do you like the sand?
As you can see, my baby sister is cute, and I think she is.
Abigail, do you like the sand?
Yeah. For myself. Look. Look. Made it. Down there. Coins. Down there. Kinetic sand. This is going to be a bit different because now I'm 5. And the other one was when I was 4.
Probably 3.
Maybe every day I was in a rod, I changed 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 4
You
and
lived there
3.
for 2 years.
Yep, I lived there for 2 years in a rod. But when I was 4 and 3, 4 and 3, and then the last day I was 4, tomorrow, the day I was 4, then tomorrow in a rod, I would be 5. So I have a question for you. Do you have a little sister? Maybe you have a little baby brother. Do you have to share with one of them? Or maybe both if you have both. Because we have both. When I was a baby, I grew up into a 5-year-old. When I was a 1-year-old, I had to wait 5-year wait. I have to wait 4 weeks. Actually, this much. I need to wait 4 to be grown up when I'm a 1-year-old. I need to wait 5 if I'm a 0-year-old. 0 means nothing.
How old are you, Abigail? Can you say, I'm 2?
I'm 2.
Very good.
Say I'm 2 years old.
2 years old.
Look, a patty cake.
Awesome.
A chef. A chef. Oh no, my patty cake. A patty cake. Oh no. Why isn't this connecting? Patty cake. I'm a chef. Micah, chef. Chef? Figure this out. I'm not a chef. Whale? When I'm done with it.
That's a dolphin.
Dolphin. When I'm done with it.
Abigail? Abigail, take the shell.
Hey. I'm not done with it, Abigail. I'm making it.
We share, don't we?
Yep.
So when you're done playing with it, then you give it to your sister.
Right. Okay, I'm going to put the dolphin there. Wow. Dolphin. It's a dolphin. Play here. Make cranes. Make cranes.
Make designs.
Yeah. Make designs. Ah. No, don't put it there. I need to squish it all up if you put it there. Yeah, thank you. That's what I wanted you to do. Squish the sand. Not squish the dolphin. Squish, squish, squish. Squish, squish. Abigail shares her sand. I share my sand. My sand. Abigail, share your sand. A design popped out of the whale. Okay, take it off. Take it off. No, Mommy, see what you take off. Trying to squish it, squish, 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 squish. Which kind of design? What's this one? That one. Oh, geese. Let's make some dots on it. Like a dinosaur. Or a T-Rex. Oh, don't bury it.
Make a house, Abigail.
Okay. Look how cute. It's just a giant pile of sand. Bad, bad, bad. What? Bad. Bad what? Giant tail. Giant eye. Giant tail and eye? I can't believe it. Susie. Squish. Dun, 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 dun. Squish, squish. Whale! That's not a whale.
It's a dolphin.
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 Tail. A shell now. A shell is going to appear. A shell is going to appear. Shh. Play with the shovel. Shovel. Sand back in what?
There's sand on the table.
Oh, put sand back in here.
Abigail, where's the dolphin at?
It's dolphin.
Oh, pretty.
It's dolphin.
Where's the shell?
It's a shell. Yeah.
The shell, yeah.
Yeah. Where is the house? It's a house.
Where's the house at?
It's house. No. Where's the house at? It's house at. The house is walking. House at. I'm gonna take all your
It's in your hand.
house. Get here. House. Have you? Guess what? I made a wrong house design. Nope.
This is my design.
This is my design. Wheel. It's the wheel. Wheel. I made it.
Make it again.
Can I have this, please? Oh. Thank you. Okay.
Are you making a dolphin?
I did it!
Are you making a house?
Real life castle. Vulcan! Just like the castle. I don't like the house much because... Here, I'll make one for you, Abigail. I'll make a giant for you. Okay, bye. Until next time. Until next time, I'm not going to play with this. I'm going to play with something really awesome. Even more amazing. See you in the next vlog of FoolyFun. And in the next vlog of FoolyFun, I'm going to play with Robot. Without Abigail. Isn't that right, kids? Yeah. You want to keep watching my FoolyFun videos? They're right on this channel. Yeah, I'll watch it. Okay, bye, Abigail. Make sure you leave the comments below if you have a baby sister or a brother. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Yeah, that's my baby sister now. She's a 2-year-old. She turned 2 in Beersheba. And this is going to be the awesomest vlog ever. And cutest because my baby is in this vlog. And make sure you leave the comments down below because we are about to do a video about me climbing. On there. On there. On that one thing. So thank you for watching. Leave the comments down below. And please go home if it's nighttime. But it's evening, sunset, sunrise. It's not sunrising. It's just sunset. Okay, bye guys. Okay, bye guys. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.